besides having a very successful JV with an international partner, you have also raised capital as the company demanded its growth. Tell us what kind of relationship you shared with your investors, and what are the sweet spots to make an investment mechanism work.
I think first and foremost, everybody has to realize that if you need investors and continued credibility in the market to bring in investment from time to time uh, at reasonable valuations, you have to preserve your valuations or grow it incrementally as time progresses, as business progresses. So, most important in my understanding and my experience in building up a reputation with the investors is, first of all, trust and transparency are the two most important things. Why partnership breaks? Because either trust breaks, or why trust breaks? Because transparency breaks down. So if you maintain trust and transparencies as the cornerstones of this any relationship, and it's not only true for partnerships, it's not only true with investors, but it's true for any relationship. Those relationships create a strong bond. And if you have investors, because any businesses have uncertainties, any business goes through ups and downs. During this period, you need to make sure that your investors, who are an important element of your success, are on board, and you are communicating with them from time to time what's happening with your business. They will bear with you in difficult times, provided they know what is happening well in advance. Nobody likes surprises. So if you keep the communication channel transparent, you can definitely create a very strong bond with your investors, and then you can create a reputation of a reliable partner. This reputation will always allow you to bring in either money from the same investors again when you need it next time, or you may want to raise it from new investors. But it's the reputation that precedes you, either good or bad. So if you want to remain investor friendly, make sure that you preserve the trust and transparency and the governance standards of your company to the highest levels. Because today in this world, there's a lot of money chasing. There are a few opportunities which are available. So there's money available in the market. It's not difficult to raise money, but it is not difficult to raise money only for the companies which are trustworthy. Because you have seen a lot of failures as well, and you've seen a lot of startups lose their valuation from billions of dollars to virtually nil. In this environment, raising money is not difficult, as I repeat, but it is not difficult for a trustworthy company with good growth potential, which is built on transparency and good governance. So it has always been for us a journey where at each stage of our growth, we have got appropriate investors, we've given them exit. We have created a reputation over the last almost 30 years of always giving a rewarding exit to our investors. No investor, be it the smallest of small or the largest of large investors, have ever lost money or his returns in the company. Some people got more returns, some people got less returns, but everybody walked away with a reasonable or a rewarding exit.